Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to change a soft armor gun holster from a right-handed configuration to a left-handed configuration. This is a 31L series by Soft Armor, and it is set up, actually comes from the factory set up for right-handed use. And you can see here the sewn on belt loop that will go, your belt will go through here. And on the outside, if you wanted to use this as an in the pant holster, there's a metal spring clip that would, this holster would tuck into the pant, and the spring holster, the spring clip would stabilize it on your belt. So, like I said, it is set up for right-handed use. So, what I'm going to do is just a real simple switch of the thumb brake. Obviously, I have a training gun in here. I'm going to take that out. I use just a dull butter knife, and what I'm going to do is slip it in between the hook and the loop of the Velcro. So what I'm going to do is just slip it right through here. And what that's doing is separating the hook from the loop, and I'm just going to pull that along with the knife. I'm going to pull that whole strap out, set it aside. On the other side is a little bit more difficult. I'm going to take the spring clip out, and the way I do that is I just actually get underneath the webbing a little bit and just kind of wedge the knife in between the metal and the webbing, and that makes it to where the spring clip will just slide right out. And then I will do the same thing as I did on the other side, separate out the Velcro. You never want to use a sharp knife for this, just use a dull butter knife. Once you have it separated, pull that one out. And while I have it out, I'm going to put the strap up against the side of the knife. And what I did was I just flipped the holster over, and I'm going to take the whole thing, including the knife, and I will slip it back in the other side to where you can see the knife and the webbing has gone underneath this sewn on part here. Pull the knife out, flip it over, and then I'll do the same thing with the other one. You put the webbing up against the knife and use that just to slip it in. And what I've done is I've switched it from a right-handed configuration to a left-handed configuration. All I have to do now is put the spring clip back in, and with that one I don't need to use the knife anymore. I can actually just take it. I don't know if you can see this, but what you want to do is put it where this little lip right here needs to be up against the holster. So I'm going to slide it in just like this. You just have to open the clip just a little bit, just kind of get it started, push it in, and then you're set up for left-handed use. So what I'm going to do is, of course you would do this with an unloaded gun. You put the gun in the holster, and then just kind of arrange the straps where you would like them to go. In order to do this, you would just figure out exactly where you want the strap to be. Snap it in place. If you have a little bit too much play in it, you can use that knife again and just kind of go back in here, and you can kind of move it up and down. As long as you have that the hook and loop separated, you can just kind of move it up and down, tighten the strap to your liking, pull the knife out, just kind of push the Velcro back together, and you're all set. So that is moving a holster, soft armor gun holster, from a left-handed to a right-handed use. Pretty simple, just takes a few minutes. Once these straps are in place and the Velcro has reattached, it's really, really tough. You can't just pull that strap back out. It's virtually impossible to do without some sort of a dull knife. I used a metal butter knife I've found that one of the best things to use is just a plastic knife. That way you don't, you will never mistakenly cut the webbing, which would of course void the warranty on this. There is a lifetime guarantee on all of our product. It's very rare that it happens. Every once in a while we will get one back to the factory where someone's accidentally cut the webbing. It doesn't happen very often. Just be very careful when you do it. Obviously, never do that with do this with a loaded gun. I'm using a training gun, but very simple to do. This is the same process you use for all of the soft armor gun holsters, whether it's this L series or TB series, SC, any of the gun holsters that are manufactured by Soft Armor. That's the same process to switch it from a left to a right-handed use. If you have any questions, please give us a call at Soft Armor at 1-800-346-4545. Thank you.